Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want you guys to come with me as I wash my hair. This is going to be a very quick video, and don't mind the white stuff. I'm trying this new scalp treatment. Either way, I'm going to wash my hair today with Carol's Starter Goddess Strength Collection, and this is the strength and length system. Apparently one use you'll have 15 times stronger hair, and I'm using their fortifying shampoo. This shampoo is said to help with weak and breakage prone hair, and I don't know if you guys can see, but I have a lot of breakage around my edges, and definitely if I'm going to pull like a piece of my hair, and you're going to see in this video where my hair is kind of breaking off. So I decided to use this because I think I need a good strengthening treatment. Now, I did use a protein treatment a few weeks ago, but I wanted to add something else, and I thought this was actually really peculiar. So I went and I washed my hair out. I didn't do this in the shower as it's very hard, and now I'm going in with the Goddess Strength Fortifying Conditioner. This conditioner, I really like it. It's very thick, and I used it as well as a deep conditioning product. This has no parabens, no mineral oil, petroleum, or no artificial colors. Now, what I do like about this line is it has castor oil, ginger, and black cumin seed. I definitely felt the ginger, and I definitely smelled the black cumin seed. Now, like I said, I was using like this scalp treatment so that I can treat my edges, and I was using onion juice. So I wanted to use this in conjunction with that, and I hoped that it took away the smell of the onion out of my hair. I smelled the ginger, but after I took off the deep conditioner, I still for some reason smelled the onion in my hair. Like, I don't know what it is. It's so hard to get that smell out. But I love the way that it made my hair feel. It elongated my curls. It made my hair feel really, really healthy. And I left it on overnight. And I washed this off the next day. So this did the job. It made my hair really soft. And in addition to using the conditioner, I went in with the oil. The oil does not have the black cumin, the ginger in it. The oil doesn't have the ginger in it, just the castor oil and the cumin seed. But I love that the oil is very thin. It's not too thick. I used it in my hair to deep condition overnight. So now I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic cap and yeah, go to bed. So basically now I'm going to go in with the Divine Strength leave-in cream, and this is also for weak breakage prone hair. This is also a really good leave-in. I thought it did the job. It's very thick, nice and coating of the strands. I love that about this. And in conjunction with this, I used the LCO method. My hair was wet, so that's water. And then I went in to moisturize with the leave-in, and I sealed with the oil. Basically, if I'm not really doing a style with my hair, this is how I do my hair. Big chunky twists, water, leave-in, oil. Or you can substitute oil for shea butter, or you can do the lock method if that works best for you, but the oil over top works best for me because oil is a sealant. As you can see, I'm going in with the oil, and I'm gonna smooth that on the length of my hair. Make sure it's detangled, and then twist it up. Yeah, so I'm gonna give my edges some tender loving care by rubbing and twisting up that section. Now overall, if I had to give this product a rating out of 10, I would say about a 7. The reason I give it a 7 is because it gets the job done. It's nothing that surprised me about the product, and yeah, so I give it a 7 out of 10 because it got the job done, but it's not like wow. But I do like the products and the castor, cumin, and ginger in the product. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and bye-bye.